guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a brow tutorial and a bonus look at the end that turned out quite terribly. And without further ado, let's just get into it. First, I'm honestly going to grab my spoolie brush and brush my eyebrows out of the way on both sides. Mind you, I'm using pomade for one eyebrow and a pencil for the other. And I basically just underline my eyebrow. I spoolie the top back down in a shape I want, and then I outline the top and then fill it in a little bit, not too harsh, and then I try to fill it in as lightly in the front. And with the pencil, I do the same thing. I brush it upwards and then outline the bottom part of my brow. Then I spoolie the top hair back down, outline the top part of the eyebrow with the pencil. Same technique, just different products. I put in product lightly in the front for both eyebrows. Then, yes, you guessed it, the hardcore concealer on the brows. Yes, I do it lightly. Yes, I love it. So my eyebrows turn out right all the time and it fills in perfectly. I just outline the bottom of my eyebrow, then I outline the top. If I'm rushing, then I will mostly just do the ends of the top part of the eyebrow. But today I had time, so I just did the whole thing. I blend out my eyebrows pretty much seamlessly. It won't be hard for me to cover it with foundation later on. After that, I go back in with a spoolie, do a last brush in, and boom. So I guess that was a quick tutorial, but if y'all want like a more in-depth tutorial, just let me know. I'll happily do that for you guys, since I want to start doing makeup again on my channel, because y'all, that is what I'm known for on Instagram and stuff. I just added games and other things to the mix, because why the freak not? As you can see, when I'm blending the foundation into thy skin, you can even see the concealer that I put in earlier. Since I blended it seamlessly in the beginning, you can't really see the harsh outline that some IG brows be having. And now I shall disappear and y'all just gonna watch me do the rest of my makeup. Toodaloo! So I thought this look was going to turn out way better than I thought, and it was an epic fail. But I guess since I put lashes on, it looked a little better. I will be redoing this look. So I hope you guys liked it. Like if you wanna, comment if you wanna, subscribe if you wanna, and stalk my other social medias if you wanna, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Oh!